So fellow farmers, I'm here where I normally throw out the waste from me actually sometimes my chickens. So there's a dustbin that I normally throw my waste at. So I'm sad of what I see here. If you can look at this closely, I don't have my mic, so hopefully the sound it's loud enough. But what I'm seeing here is a bunch of chicks. They look like they were about a week old. I don't have the story of what happened, but I can tell you they are banned. So I don't know whether this person was using Paola to heat up his chickens and something went wrong, but definitely something went wrong inside the chicken house and he lost his chicken. So his chicken got banned. What you see here are chicks. You see it? It's a chick. Oh man, this is sad. I wonder who's this fellow farmer, but yeah, man, that's what I want to share with you. That's what I'm seeing here right now. Look, chicks all over. There are chicks all over. I wonder why didn't this person just actually bury these things at his backyard or something? Because wow, they are a lot and they smell like crazy. And here you can see there are some chicken crates also got banned. This looks like a drinker that's banned. Another drinker there over there. If you can see it, there's another drinker over there. It also was banned. And then here's a feeder, and I see other couple of feeders as well. So guys, let's be careful. Let's be careful from us of the things that we use to eat up our chickens. This is sad. Yeah, I've seen this where I normally dump my chickens, and I'm really sad for this farm. I don't know who is this fellow farmer over here, but what I'm seeing here, man, it's crazy. I'll try find out who's this farmer. Maybe I'll give some of my equipment to this fellow farmer over here. I'll just post on the group that I have and then ask who's this fellow farmer who lost so many chickens. This is sad. This is Makwala Agri. I'm out. Peace. So guys, yeah, I just came out from a call with the person who lost those chickens that I shared the video. So he's a good brother of mine. He has shared a lot with me when raising my chickens. I've done a video with him, I think last year, I'm not sure, but there's a video that I did here on the channel. You can go and check it out, where it's farmers conversation. So I used to try to have a podcast, and then I once interviewed him. His name is Mahuela, so you can check his interview on the channel. So he lost 500 bits, and the sad part is that it took about a year, and this was his comeback basically. So and then he lost on his comeback. So imagine he was telling me like how much he's lost, because he lost everything: feeders, drinkers, like he lost everything in that house. So yeah, it's very sad, man. I can feel the pain that this fellow farmer is feeling, but you know, it's farming, man. Farming is brutal, guys. This is the part when they killed the farming is brutal, man. Like imagine losing 500 chickens, and I think they were about 2 weeks. So yeah, it's very bad. It's very bad. I hope he stays strong, man. I don't wish that can happen to anyone, but yeah, it's what it is. So I just found out who's the person, and what happened is that they were using fire to provide heat for the chickens. Unfortunately, the fire broke out, and then the whole house was burned down with everything that was inside. And yeah, it's a huge loss for the guy. Probably lost, if we put it in figures, we're looking at around 50k, if not 40,000, including the chicken crates that he lost. And he's talking about, I think, like 40 chicken crates that were inside the house. Like he's talking about a lot of things that he lost. So there's a lot, man. Chicken feed that he bought everything, like once when he was studying. So he bought chicken feed for the whole cycle, and then he lost it. He lost feeders, he lost those chicks, he lost the entire house as well. So like I'm saying that the cost is actually, it's over 50K if we were to put it in a value of money. So it's over 50K, probably 70 to 80,000 of a loss. So I hope my brother will stay strong. Yeah, it's very sad. It's very, very sad. So farmers, let's just be careful out there. If you know that you're using fire to actually brood your chicken, let's just try to make sure that something like this doesn't happen to any of us. But yeah, that's all I saw, and that's what I thought I should share with you guys. It's not always glory in this farming thing. It's not always good. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.